It literally is history in the making. That's what we're about to present to you. And here to present this world exclusive premiere are Jörg Astroloch, Chief Executive Officer for Italdesign, and Mark Cousin, Head of Flight Demonstrators. Thank you.
It really is a live test. So what you're seeing here flying today is flying more or less for the first time. So we don't know exactly what's going to happen, but you know, everybody cross their fingers.
Are you ready for takeoff? 3, 2, 1, takeoff.
This is something that is a great example of cross-industry cooperation. So we've been working with Italdesign and the automotive industry now for the last 2 years.
What you see is a modular concept. Modular for us is important because it connects with intermodularity, and intermodularity is for us a solution for traffic situations in megacities.